Understanding connectivity options. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Connectivity options. This term is quite common in the tech world, but it's also useful in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, why it's important, and where you might see it being used. Stay tuned to demystify this term together. Connectivity options refers to the different ways in which devices can connect to each other or to the Internet. The term is made up of two parts. Connectivity. This is the ability of devices to communicate with each other or to connect to the Internet. Options. These are the choices or methods available for connectivity. Understanding this phrase helps in knowing how you can access or share information between devices or over the Internet. There are several connectivity options available, each with its own advantages and use cases. Let's look at some common examples. Wi-Fi, a wireless connection to the Internet or other devices. Bluetooth, a method for exchanging data over short distances from fixed and mobile devices. Ethernet, a wired connection that offers stable and fast Internet access. Mobile data, Internet connectivity provided by your mobile network, useful for when you're on the go. Knowing these options can help you choose the best way to stay connected depending on your needs and circumstances. In our digital world, staying connected is more important than ever. Here's why connectivity options matter. Accessibility. They ensure you can access the Internet and network services anytime, anywhere. Flexibility. Different options mean you can always find a way to connect that suits your situation. Efficiency. Some options are faster or more reliable, making your digital experience smoother. Understanding your connectivity options enhances your ability to navigate the digital world effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on the term, connectivity options, and why it's such a crucial concept in today's digital age. Whether you're setting up your home network, choosing a smartphone, or simply trying to stay connected while traveling, knowing your connectivity options is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.